Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into remote.co beginner guide. To begin, open your web browser. Type in the URL www.remote.co in the address bar. Press enter on your keyboard. Once the home page loads, look for the login button. This button is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you will see fields for your email and password. In the first field, enter your registered email address. Make sure to type it correctly to avoid any errors. In the second field, enter your password. If you forget your password, look for a Forgot Password link below the login fields. Click on it to receive instructions on how to reset your password. If you have entered both your email and password, review them for accuracy. Once confirmed, click the Login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be logged into your account. If you encounter an error, double-check your email and password. You may also want to ensure that your internet connection is stable. After logging in, explore your dashboard for available features and options. Familiarize yourself with the layout to make the most of the platform. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.